Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites, confirm your Android version, and whether the default Clipboard keeps history. Once done, install a trusted Clipboard Manager app from Google Play. Make sure to grant accessibility and storage permissions when prompted, because those allow the app to capture Clipboard entries in real time. You should also enable overlay permission if the manager uses a floating widget. Follow on screen prompts exactly. This prepares the app to record future copies. And now open the Clipboard Manager and go straight to history or trash. Some apps label it differently. Once there, use search or filters to narrow results by app, timestamp, or content type. This speeds recovery. Tap a candidate entry to preview why it matches. If the item is present, restore it to the manager, then copy it to the system clipboard or save it as a note. If multiple fragments exist, merge them inside the app before copying, so you recover combined text exactly as needed. To finish, paste the restored content into the target app and verify formatting and completeness. Once satisfied, pin or save the entry inside the Clipboard Manager to prevent future loss. If the item is missing, check the app's export files or local backups. Some managers auto-export daily. If recovery fails, make sure permissions are still granted, toggle accessibility off and on, or reinstall the manager. This often fixes capture problems. One key tip: stop clearing system Clipboard until recovery is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.